oh me mambo nyina kwa ba no be sam say den na sie de asie nyina ne say yewura Atta KYEA the former member of parliament I ne ono na the lawyer odi chairman won to me ene yewura dubuahe omo case Eden sembia be gudwa efa Kennedy Japan ho baby sam say die nti oni Kennedy Japan etwe so de wo mnya say nche bia na Kennedy Japan ba abontene ebedi ntrobi egu Atta KYEA so na asem no nyina kofa ba yere ne se brebi atwem na Atta KYEA ka se ama obi anto aba ma Kennedy Japan because I to aba ma na okopie mo UN for anima obeti se o kase madafaka eho ena nsem no nyina hya ase na nsem no hya ase no ena ken eba UTV say obeye interview na obeka say ono ote hoyi Atta KYEA means nothing to him because ono no Kennedy Japan edini sika $500,000 ekoto apartment de mano emo no Atta KYEA ne de dine ma hanya na sabio ochen hene ena na otim wan fancy wa osi Atta KYEA ba bi o ye ne lawyer juma kura no ono no na ye tu no enti ono no Kennedy ohene Kwame a Japan and the man $50,000 on fan could trianica. And okay, can simple at the firm. San can say, Atta KYEA, I could deal that Nana Adodanko Kufuado atem, our Detroit airport. Now, some no bar bontain, now no, I can echo PMU, ewo, UTV sono. And then nano pay, Papa, your friend Atta KYEA, so echo PMU ho, and I'll see a necken, bra, nabejo dear. Papa ne say on tia what is wrong with Kennedy Japan. The anti oye no finsa to the point or see Kennedy is a disgrace to himself. Say obi etisen wo timi pie na loka nsem kontompo entro. Or see Kennedy Japan should bring people sir. Etre say aye no kre. So ono no watofie e de ama ono Atta KYEA. Abusia ensem no do so party me say yenko ji ni nyina emfiri kalkum na num because yes enyom eda yete ne wodi wura num yenko tie nsema Atta KYEA ediku form. Like the video, support me, subscribe and like leave your comment in the comment section box. Yenko me sisi ya ka wo chem no menim se mpempie no se woni obi enyini bomua anase bia ono obi kosukuwa aya anase nipa na pray the brebia we dey me meet until I can vouch for this person. One honorable Kennedy Japan ba hase me so so ono nyina na same class o kire economics ma o kire literature nti ye den na wo mate pa wo yonko classmate epe dibia bi say ya umfa wo support entertainment empiana na wo say eye Dr. Bawumia.
Well nyame ni penim me nkan tro say me ne ken ohine Japan e problem no one ne mom empenin die no eniama bebre ne yede ye mi suro papa na koma mi so se onyame ehun ye mobokora obetumi abo bi o cabinet yes papa no ni akoma.
How well do you know him?
I know him like this. Me say the temperament and maybe kura ebetumi asi parliament no any pictures no oni kofo entokwa na bibie no wa beka so ken nyabotre na yemfe nkoboko onum mesi edwomu na ne niema pie atia ye kuntokwa dem no onum yo ene wo TVB metew mu program so mete kwa sa o ene kura de yisifo ene nkomo a won di o peso won wi ade na yen start here no
so o say hunu me painti 2023 de year no
ade ne si ye
o say wale obodin say onya 92 year try na ba no obi wia e be share bottom the papa ko 40 me to ababa se fam I believe say what say ansem
me say ne man nyina enye no kure owo on agents wo bibie no a oye ya MPP ye ya de no a ye pese ye wi ama ba omia obi no pese o wo se plan no ama obi a okura na agent wo mi kura chebi na ka de chebi de ka na ka mi ko wi egu mu chebi na agent ni wo eti mama ye nya careful
enye ne temperament ni ade wugina so aka se no
ko we say the temperament of a president ayo bi o shock absorbers be ka chiro enye obi a obelieve say na de ono obi wasem no nyakora one ne be kontokwa ene eye den na yes me classmate say kameka say ene me so me di na chi na on chief of staff very chairman baby amadu den na utumi aka say ene de unya akora obeyi obi he e wodwom afedi ye nim
also obeyi obi
oh yeah so obeyi obi caustic language insulting behaviors free opening ba show man so until them feel say you pay to me e be a man so your businessman on your business kasi ya pa na say you combine competence, temperament, intellectual prowess, vision.
Don't you think the temperament can be managed?
How do you do it?
So
and America, how do you do it?
How
do you tame it? Baby, I will do it. Oh, now bet me at telephone. To me, if you said, I dear crowd, cano, a offensive man. Oh, one thing that you baby, you will say, I said, they are even afraid of what you can do. Of course. And then
the obey to me,
and then what me, I can catch it. Private conversation to me,
talk of a private conversation. I don't think we share with Heathrow Airport. Udi former president and Nana Danko Kufuor atem echere no.
Mama kasa ba.
Na onim so be keep on ese.
Mama kasa ba koncho mama kasa cho. Eye etra eni fapem. Meni akompre ko enhia Heathrow Airport na we discuss na Kufuor. In fact, if it is true, say na yeshia Heathrow na meni ne kasa na me di na Kufuor atem and one may PR to confirm how loose a canon is. I just say me no share them na ye do komo ye do be konkonsa. If I should go and air it, say oh me no share honey ye do can't we want some na e kire onipa su ene ne ban oye. He can't even excuse me say contain confidential exchanges. Say what you na mo ka obi ho asem. That's the first point. But uncle for passport no mra. No one chile date no. Miss me confirm passport mra. Ni check time wa. Yes stamp mu se na your Heathrow Airport. Enya no correct.
We need share with Heathrow Airport.
We need share Heathrow Airport. You discuss na Kufuor.
No, mo share hoda.
Men kaida.
See share hoda.
Share Heathrow Airport. Men kasa bi share akompre ko Heathrow Airport. Ye ben ya. Onka. Okasa homo ye no. Na oba mo nchen a yeah, more exact evidence, no. Say how? Say na Kufuor. Me na medina de. Say time no. Na me campaign man. Bisa the whole Ghana. Abranti aba ko campaign man na Kufuor. So me the president of Ghana. If you say fear you freedom no. Na dankwa. It declare say the Gold Coast is ready for independence 4th of August 1947. That was so watching be in where with me Africa 70 years down the line, like the Babylonian captivity na nado EPA. It mean fama ho den ma na nado. Na me didi na tem kire akompreko. Say dey be na me gi afri mu. E jenja no kure. Say me ni share wo Heathrow. Date ben ya. Onka year ben ya.
Okay. Honorable, me pese wo home so na yenhwe said Honorable Kennedy ohene Japan e ka asem no. Yenhwe be san basisia.
Ya minimum nyansa chero. Se minimum nyansa chero enko tumi nya minister da. The way OCDD Kufuor do atem a kire mo Heathrow Airport. Em no wan say any woni na ni so a Kufuor government obaji minister. I'm not going to respond to Obia. I will not.
To Bianca the
Bianca. But me statistics me fire. They'll run away. Evidence I'm the back. Maybe I just don't talk. I'll give you evidence. Once I touch on here, they touch us at Heathrow Airport. Nipa no go jina ho 70 brofu. Obi a menti brofu. Between talk a dime.
Okay. Yo, ebusia fonti asama Honorable Kennedy Japan e kan ye o se won se eye attaching ade. Ma kire mo se Heathrow Airport among the whole world benya baby an can say Heathrow Airport.
A trouble a tour in Guasia ka ho. O ka say oni obi share Heathrow Airport, is that a proof that you met? won't you prove us here now? What is the evidential support for this nonsense? If they Indonesia or a troka Casa troka say Heathrow Airport, Michiano, and Anami did in a Nakufu Ado attempt. Is that evidence? As a more canyon, okay? Oh, so how? When? On for passport to Ram from the Anson to the Encheleso in the years so you ever say, yeah, and turning in an you would have a honor, a big show, and maybe I return the IR and stamp. What is the meaning of that? Oh, good in one man say, oh, good in one man say, and Neddy a near my over fire, and Yamia, and Yamiho. Me who need to be over to me a fire. Me need to go for what I want to know. A no any 2 months and more. And I feel no better. Anka, as I say, Muhiano, because me campaign, Emma, Dr. Alaji Mahadu, me and on pet, I feel no better.
Or more would that.
Me attach ya, and more than the Amami, send me a debena or the Achame, some in fact. Namini Madrid ball. Me attach ya, this enemy D. Okwafo a won kill ekohu no so omo a me kan bi
omo a wo bibia mu sika mu bibia
dad omo a me sika mu da
bibia mu da
won che me ade bi da mama e dey no dey ache me mate asem na me say oh Ken Yakopon mo a wo na ne wu ko die wo akasa the ninth commandment no na wo brichi le won susu anso ma say me to attach ya na Ken ohini Japan ekope the 500,000 United States dollars ekoto property mama attaching ya say me mfa
mbacho wadaro mahome so na yentie eno so do kan
I'm not going to respond to Obia. I will not.
To Bianca de
Bianca. But me statisa me fire. They'll run away. Evidence I'm the back. Maybe I just don't talk. I'll give you evidence. Once I touch here, we catch us at Heathrow Airport. Why is there all airports in the world? So me do try. I don't think I'm because at Heathrow Airport. Obia dear, onipa no ko gina ho se menti brofu. Obia menti brofu. Between talk a dime $500,000 before time. AU village at the chew. Emma would you rent or chihime and a native or $4,000 amount. Who knows away? Obrofu ni na hala. Obia on tip brofu to be told down no reaction. Now no walk high no office or high. What more to a man of me money $50,000. But I leave it to fate.
Okay, was for honorable Atta. It is our claims when you do you think say ayo
nim go asem anu ankasa say the title deed no way if you're not touching me no me lawyer ni me team baby na Kennedy on here Japan afa 500,000 so to fia mami akufuo time AU village title deed no way you know if you know way who to fia chobi what you say onim baby if you know campese men so magic title deed no na my lease am osage for am wetio for the penny onum say ochehene baby a obetena ye no ye wadabra ka himfie boko time no na ochema wadabra ka himfie ana no for that odi kan to si ho ene no because ene de baby am ti ochehen kure bia oni baby tena na yato AU village achemi atachia na fe de Malaysia mo chen hia me $4,000 ayatro me nim ni oka wasam kra me wo fi a minimum wasam na de no one fa me title di mre me if you know we mama baby a me nua kompra kokon o hwe ni ye kakra ayatra obe fire de en o the evidence bi kire o so when oto ade ne kura ema me no we ni vendor no oto ade ni free ha na ye sign the paper no ba me di mu a enne mi kura me paper enne me be sabe to bible say ni property bi AU village ana osade fo owu ye bisa no ote ase say me lease efie no ma no a me $4,000 osage for echo lease ni fie say efie bi so obi od be receive the visitors I mean it is some kanyina e troka on fa evidence ba kon kire mo ene Ghana for obetumi a mesere ne say baby a all kono o reduce it to me the president no wo be fire den wo abusuafo be fire now they are come NDC say NDC menya hoden wo abusuafo na is that a presidential material you want to destroy your own so that you become prominent how would that happen
ono in a way mo hete no dodo we san say ohune say me boa nipa nyima me ankasa me nkrofo me die mu na me die mu enyeme
yes mama me catch you nyame osun say me attach here baby a me do sese okay ase me nye tenant am here law office it me pay rent advance it obebuwa me 50,000 change e num kwase ma no kura so woka asem say atumi so esi enu nyonko adanse krum the 9 commandment no and why e won so so ma no say me kwa ko akompra ko say me yan $50,000 say me de ye de me mu bra
na wo ne say de won so say ye de ne ko president ana se bi ko AU summit a obekwa ko to blow na no so hu ne say enye no kure ya
na wo de wo enso beta ifra no pa ono kra wo he ya wo ne ka se onti ase mo beka so obe fire de en wo hu obi a ohwe man so na keka eni ni su no man se e be hira so o megina ho ma man ne da o ma be ne yesa wo de wo hu ne pese ba wo betumi aye factory fine now no wadwuma aye fo apre so fine that factory yo does not translate say you have the qualities and the capabilities of becoming the president of a nation.
So you don't see any qualities in him, like presidential qualities?
I don't see presidential qualities. I can see him that he can do some businesses. Businesses are quite exaggerated.
How?
Because and nobody saying a friend saying factories don't want him now no. I was in 19. 19 factories away. One wo se wanyanyansa foforo a wakofa kube ato wo se kube nie na yebetumi anya we afiri kube ada na deda wonye kube etumi eboa nation ada na deda wonye enti ebi kwa de wo campaigning lo because ene na offer trade minister o new presidential material
what's the trade minister
of course so now all the products are baby
also ideas and ideas now you can implement it.
Yes, the ideas now you know how far have you implemented it privately. The track record is there. I feel Miss Lokra say meka me factories do well because I'm here RS GR about me I then about be dimechi. How can a man be afraid to expose his success for scrutiny? How? What contradiction is this? It's a minimum baby who are working. Between the teams, Papa is he sure he wants to become a president? My mama, basically, the Sabbath Bible here say me attaching her. Many fear with AU village. Na many depend.
No, but him so don't start to Bible no so say what more would that?
Or more me. If I dare what they boy me $50,000 an hour. Na me we are parliament crowd na me need $50,000. Why is he lying like that? Said there now 50,000 me want tell me na me hear them me compare rent advance na. And I'm here 50,000 free one. If I chop make me a catch play and go for be didn't say ma me kan ho bi. And go for be agini sika me attach ya me kan ho bi. Me brage say me do a chira. Pa me nya la sulila. Me call the deep politics ni adi na. Go for be dey me before me baba politics. Na enya dey me call ken hine Japan ko sense o mo wa me na me fe sika nye bibi. Me see ene say a studio ha or reduce studio into a conveyor belt. No be can be anama manako. Mo manufacture di no be chebo. Eti frɛ no. Say title deed na watachi edi mu AU village no. On ma mo copy na mo hwɛ. Time or toy ade no. Say check na o use on show the bank account. Say 500,000 no. Baby friends vendor no wa kotua. They say mama mum put to a compare to street proof. The baba be the whole pay say papa we on person be kan okre. Na say who pay na and na who to me the car. Now for say baby e kon moawa. You don't need these tactics. Say tactics we any go say.
Is it because now no or ne Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia kwa kensie o support Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ntina na mamu hu ne flows nyina obi beka say time on na wonye se wo pe you know person wo ye flag bearer no or ye president na there na in a way bi o can be na say against NDC in say na mo you comfortable
no mama obia ne su ene ne ba na ho so wonum tapes e wo me nuen ho
tapes
yes historical tapes ene ne ma wakeka what you say it has nothing to do with Bawumia. I don't know the sooner the buying and not capture publicly. As soon as the be on the sea. Hey, Obi Nums attack or temperament. And to my best studio, hey, we do a atem, we do a atem, we do matem, we do a software atem. Oh, hi na.
No, only necessary no in a way no. A good say e be say ni pass message ni suni say no te dan say obeye katasumo mu aso na ave we become na say sa na wote na tumi na wo penti na wo abre on ase ye ni kuntuna so nteno so mum so ye bad
we ni we nu ehu sin bibia say wani tua say we die eja aso oso won ko Jubilee House. How are you going to do it? Don't to me control no. I'm telling you.
Yeah, sure.
Nimpa ene me bo am fere se meka onu nim se bi ni no pa ene me bi o aka kire me nka ojomu da because it was not intended for public consumption and komo bi a onu obi di which is not intended for public consumption no be believe so okay obi gina hono akeken sem bi akakakra
no but say we dey work can you say we nim po aka bi a che na sa de na ehu na mu odu na won kan so de a se ne na wo boa wo fo aso
because see, intended for public consumption. That's why there's even the oath of secrecy. What is the meaning of that? And you maybe we fagana hua or mampeninka. That's all. To you swear an oath of secrecy. They must bring him how to keep secret. How can he be president?
Okay, mema wa home so ye kasa sisi owura kwasi kwaten obepiem Honorable Kennedy Ohene Japan the campaign mo a odi mutentema pa owura kwaten wote menka memo ache ba de chenso so
abna mejo so kese pa
wo ho te say na pay
brother do me hoye na won so e
nyame adome hoye obi kasa me wo me fie o ena owura kwasi kwaten aboere mo mpacho amane
ma mencha mi senior so lawyer penny nyina we look up to Honorable by Atta KYEA yam kwara yetini dia na yehuhu onu mu bina e even from afar says you yes MPSU law in some way somehow they've had an impact in our even though it may not be direct. Say several calls on some claims that they are missing a kind, but they are sure that the bonnet so if we are work as when you have to if year no na dey back we due diligence they will be able to no aka simu sakwan what take any step after moya a basics you see a senior for na e dey now we have some more kind I say can say atufia man $500,000 no far a whole title near Demra. I think say a bia Kenya will take a crack 18 year ko say can kwa ankasa video so mobile about video na my chief for I can't actually say the fact of this. We cannot mean for them, but to fee Amano, none of all kind office, all high office, $50,000.
Online need to chase. What's in the panel? So what to fee no high office man or now can be.
I'm just quoting Ken on what he said on your show. Okay. The video is then with him about I see for you now.
Okay.
The Ken can say, me panel cement bro for no. On papa to pay $500,000 a month. Okay. Honorable Atta KYEA on car second in table for baby. So he was not referring to him. In KTM was no worker. And he had no producers and a kind and I make so only video ni no moon to papa for. And Sakra ni be on TV so. But me name semi
Honorable Katie Hammond mom na Honorable Kennedy Japan.
Yes, you can play the video once again. I have it. My crop before I responded. Okay.
Ora kwesi kwati jinaso ni yembo video no.
Yes. Okay.
Me pacho hold on. Jinaso ma me producer. Jinaso producer bo video no my.
I'm not going to respond to Obia. I will not.
To Bianca the
Bianca. But me statism fire. They'll run away. Evidence I'm the back. Maybe I just don't talk. I'll give you evidence. Once that touch and here, they catch us at Heathrow Airport. Why is there all airports in the world? So me do try. I don't think I'm because at Heathrow Airport. Obia dear, onipa no ko gina ho se menti brofo. Obia menti brofo. Between talk a dime $500,000 before time. AU village at the chew. Emma would give rent or change him and a net if you or $4,000 amount. Who knows away? Obrofo ni na hala. Obia on tip brofo to me to down no reaction. Now no walk high no office or high. What more to man me man $50,000. But I leave it to fate.
Okay, enti na asem no na to aso a na weni ba enti baby a ye be a cutting point no ora kwate se wutie me se die o cement brofo no mitimi
o se ya abla so te ya o se o ka ona bo attach asem we hit report no se obia de na baby cement brofo no na be na ona bo attach akodi baby se
okay.
Due diligence as some
me ba ora kwate se wo share a video na one we say ora attaching a me kan ye maka Heathrow adenti na all airports no manye netwa so e flow ye
so we no say obia de you go dina baby cementable from so tin here
yeah
obia de referring to be our kind of one symbol you go dina baby cementable
sa de o cementable for no na ora kwate me ba sa de o cementable for no eno na wo say no ye honorable Katie Hammond.
No, but I need the men America, the Muslim tea, or see will be a deal, you couldn't have a cementable for no me to a diamond to make a due diligence once. And Bemuno and be out there, American forgive you as a journalist, but lawyer, dear, you can't miss his due diligence. Would take you time, a shot, dear, kind year. There are any bufuso and any yaw and any be a better. I mean, Honorable Ken was your classmate, and to be behind the book on Scabba phones, what come once and say, now, I had done a bassa.
Ora Quatin, said, yes, see, I would chill me. I will cast said your or can't say your cementable for no. Was honorable Katie Hammond. What you need to say because honorable Ken, I'm born honorable Katie Hammond, Dinintino, and automatically with me, I can say, then what the Masons would become bony beginning and or cancer and sana. The cementable for no ebeshe when muntina
assuming that is the case. Assuming that is the case, na ben honorable attacher e ko ka second interpol. Your kind second be motherfucker. Okay. Why will he even accept to say on what
okay.
In the first place, say na team so I'm okay to am within the person ya dan asem na. Honorable attacher to that ben ko ka second interpol.
Honorable Ken so what here asem bi enye dan ko resolve no eye
one friend say say who classmates no not some of videos I can't say one no we the young economics the young of literature it can from so ni ho so me afom you say the who ni achi what you say and you na doctor about me on so ye ne dey can hwe so a friend me na dey ne si na kwa kire to stage an interview back to come and respond to him without due diligence so we do something very honorable who go for you apologize. Okay. If you are feeding so I apologize to can you move on. Who forgive you?
Yo, Mate, ora kwate medase pa. Yo. Honorable Atta KYEA.
As some way say a bit comical kakrama New York say. It's a continuum. It takes his post facto rationalization I say now on refer to me. Yes.
So when it says
you see the flow of the conversation, will lead everybody to the conclusion. Say, oh, Atta KYEA na okoje say 500,000 if you know. Can't you see the flow? And now near akono say and kwofo a dom drains it will share all social media no. They show me say me here ungrateful. I on case my kwaje in kwhwe near a friend say a dom at the appetite. How can you say that this is out of context? If it's out of context, and yeah, what can say uniano? And on your own samra no day, or because he didn't intend to say me, they will be Katie Hammond. Because you can't say the recording has been doctored. The recording has not been doctored. But if you look at the flow of what is said, What you say? Everybody will come to a conclusion that Atatia and wakoje 500,000 if you every can or rent if you know my friends or charge or change not renting your 4,000. Atatia no akasa or if you're a lawyer, you know, be a lawyer new. The contest is also talking about a lawyer. And also a friend saying, oh, me man 50,000. Send them you no correct. Many can end daily with these matters. So if therefore what he intended to say is not media, and I know I am a bonipa because he has spoken in the contest pointed to me.
Okay, o can flow as someone obusia for my na ye wona yen san share video ni bi said e esikoye.
I'm not going to respond to Obia. I will not.
To Obianka de
Obianka. But me statism fire. They will run away. Evidence I'm the back. Maybe I just don't talk. I'll give you evidence. Once that touch and here, they catch us at Heathrow Airport. Why is there all airports in the world? So me do try. I don't think I'm cars at Heathrow Airport. Obia dear, onipa no ko gina ho se mente brofu. Obia mente brofu. Between talk a dime $500,000 before time. AU village at the chew. Emma would you rent or chihime and a native or $4,000 amount. Who knows away? Obrofu ni na hala. Obi anti brofu to me to dan no reaction. Na no walk high no office or high. What more to man me man $50,000. But I leave it to fate. Mobian Canadian.
Honorable.
No,
okay.
No high office, no, or high in the contest, higher office. Now on the office or high. He said that. So it flows from the beginning. If you want to bring a disconnect there, then come and explain. Say, oh, you didn't intend to say Yamia, but this context, how can you say Yamia? And you attach Yanwa, may I expose you to Heathrow no, as someone. And also your trouble brani, but catch it all. So many years he threw this guy Kufuado. The person Kufuado be president. Now, attach Yanwa, Obia also no, wajy $500,000 if he a free me some. What is he talking about? Eti be say no me pentokwa tantan. Asemo a wo kano. Me say enne mama okra no unya idea saying. Make say me I won't put you on the spot. What idea did you see say asemo kan ye no and now interview no? It was referable to a third party, not the attacher in the context of the speech he was making. Amen kofo asom.
It is a rental asem na buy no. Nana ate ochehene.
Ochehene ate.
No so rent bibisa wo AU village ana.
Me nim near oka about say or rent if the mean semos or rent if you be.
No me chese ochehene a confirm say indeed or rent property bisa e wo AU village.
On confirm on chair me so or rent property be AU village because me and the man secretary say almost charge for money say me say minimum hwea abibia say wato fia cheme a me rent ma no. And I make a mama me dey na can say oche rent no there so oche impo rent bibi so the visitors ba on meda ho ana there infini me nsam.
Okay,
I want to say that clearly. Me no charge phone call tenancy arrangement bia me give $4,000 a month from me home.
And honorable can to fee be
on $500,000. I don't know who say afraid a friend saying the spokesperson quarter or so distancing from the fast on Tomami. So what he's saying is ministering to who Ghana say on Tomami. Now maybe you due diligence here. Due diligence banner a bro a friend saying tape will not the context of the speech. And then Madam Ibisa, no Kasane. Did you have an idea saying that he was not referring to me?
They was say the Ebesha where you said your cement brofono. Inti senya wona waka say won brofono they are then referring to.
No I don't know about Katie Amodi. Why do you leave my name as a premise of your statement? Etwetwaswa efrihitu edanto onipa na lawyer or pay or person or officers or rent office so man 50,000 now cause I feel let's disconnect the statement.
It say the ora kwatin aba chimu say a dino de no nyewo
enyame ene kan emra studio ha na on fro ono akase na muto say or person kire say ene na entiase na de kasa mu wantumi ankyere ase na nyamea the person can yes sir. How can you say me apologize? Me apologize over the obvious. Because say ono na no kasa na o kan ye no ansisi so yie a ene o be kan friendship so oh atawe de enye wona na me kan o say efa efie bi a me toma o because onto ofie ma be da no so onto ofie ma me na me tell say yeah ye misa evidence based engagement say okay what title did na anyway ha na no vendor no na de atoto and then the nyame ase say afede obi backtrack say onto ofie ncheme say did no beto ofie acheme ha generous is so obeto ofie acheme atache
bo ankofo nyina wo party sika wo di hye mu
ono ka na wo nkofo ebo party aka anu atum say nkofo no mbo tonton sansan fa won ho no on your self announcement no it's not a mark of good leadership make catch on
it's not mark of good leadership
I tell you obi obo tonton sansan emu a obi a opeso be catch we ase what kind of leadership is that you can't say the prank as amount here say na what's the meaning of that now nkofo wan ma MPP sika wa ka anu atum
eburo ne dia wo dia mama
eburo no so kra won ye politicians ya so party ni mu a be se ne yanka probiji contract efi MPP mu na onya ho mfaso na ode buan krofo a eno ne yemfa ne si akonkon chika onya anu bebere na o kan nyina no evidence nche se ono so wajeje contracts pa efi MPP ho
o ba say go confirm say
what is the problem
pickups e support into so onya contractor
enti o party buao now support o party a yemfa si akonkon na party ne emo ama ebe na ko wanya bimpo no abo party no
me say Yesu Kristo ko pass da nti so bi ade ai
me ka kiro say ebi wo ha o di kon penso bi a that's as if say obi de oka that's all pass da o ye as if say it's a debt enye debt
nti o chere say the all year no mum chere say esa wo de party ne de ne ka
of course as if we owe him a living. But a lot of people have held. I have also held the party. I've always said, "Me can be before party no da na." Me nka.
So on the one which ready or the abonti on about there na wo de.
Me nka da. Ehu ni fa so. O som obusuyanfo a emfa nye tonton sansan. Utua obi ba school fees ma no enye tonton sansan. Udu obi call law school a enye tonton sansan. O toka che obi so fa nye campaign enye tonton sansan. A mark of good leadership to do a self-announcement. As if some person project said, without you, the party does not exist. But there are several people who have held the party, but they are quiet.
Dear Koso nyina a wo leadership qualities, wo presidential qualities e honorable Ken we say kombase Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia candidate I was supported one winning honorable Ken a winning as a flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party. Are you going to campaign? Are you going to support him?
Men to Ken in Chile, no be bia and yen I begin on a day. Ya buano. Me catch or say, my fate, I'll say it. The fact say, and then make us say, Midie, Ubisami and Nami Ginaya. I don't have confidence that he has even the emotional intelligence to lead MPP and my extension Ghana. It's a fact. And now Bas is out here. When I begin to fire what? Against your own family. If he demonstrated what I'm saying it here by any year will play, you know. And thing yes, obi pese 777 obi MAG I support too. Say na kofo bebere na onye Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia but this is on your campaign. And if you need to repair your own system, I repair your own system. But I am glad say is emerging say on two fee mami. They need $50,000 in friends. And I also want to confirm I've never had any conversation with Ken concerning Akufo-Addo ewo hitro.
Undi Nana Akufo-Addo
and Kenda. For what? Said them na media film. Me campaign in Akufo-Addo be the president. I thought send obi beka so okay. Ebi Akufo-Addo yi fi aben muti na bu efu no and na akoye Akufo-Addo a kire Ken. No, he said Akufo-Addo kro me president. Does this sound logical to you? Is it not counterintuitive to say me say that say Akufo-Addo and me president? At the same time Akufo-Addo me president no we could did in ho atem a kire Ken. E wo hitro. Na hitro na ye a friend saying a rally ground and then I make call the ho hitro.
nipa de mu hia nkomodie mu
eno na ese kire se eye tro na mpo say no kra a show can you soon in a buying cannot keep confidential exchanges as it should be.
Okay.
Yes. Eye tro na say opesa o ka say no kure mpa ono aka say egu no ho ani ma say what is telling the whole Ghana is self-indicting. Granted say mama between me and you e din komo bi e friend ben no komo what be that chief workers we dey ben no komo obi epia ka je we dey ben no komo obi a on to me en keep ben no komo no feel say o me ton me dom no o ye immature me to sebe
abusofo honorable at Samuel Atta KYEA na ye ne no atwetwe nkomo honorable Mejawa Mwako na waka say obi obebe including honorable Kenso to Fankandia over support
mental ken what you say ene ken person ye di 2 million na e wo Ghana hyensa onu ni obeye ba feel say late because senior make us akire we ene ma bebre wo ho a NDC fo so twen on be bo pa me nya ni se NDC be campaign mu on because ene ma ken afa aka no on be playing to the whole world
so be ujiri se sa niema no mo betimi asesa Ghana fo adwama o ntoma
of course na so to me ya amampani mi no mama me pese ma twe akọ bibiri because na me we obi ka ye me celebrate me bompa ye kwa ba so onturuma no mame mahama onye ye no akufu adokoro onye ye no
na so yera Muhammad ye no ba ye obepa ne chew atwe se
enyo ne easy ne enye se wa twe asan esu no onimu esu edidi atem ye fe ni president yo ene make catch your play ye fe ni president
honorable Mejawa Mwako ade ben na wo pese Ghana for the kai wo pa abra na wo ye wo mrahye bedwemu na wo san so eye lawyer ni mapapa so ne ma be pa na pese resonate wo Ghana for adwemu fa
me somo ya konojen be se me somo mawa me ni a prostitute's mind say as you say me go chibi ba me wo pa no me somo nipa koda akoma pa akufu ado ko onu say me somo no pa from when he wasn't the flag bearer to now. Number 2 me no kure die say mama ye tuwe pa nanka ma betra studio ha fe me betwitwa tro ato kan so me nya ma wo da betwitwa tro antu obi so o be ka me sa afa so ye ka industrial hansa do no ho onko me hansa ne ma me ka ye e wo ho adwene mu asem a me de to ho and no one so nya president o be di on kire ne ma ho aka hansa na they will be remembered for afa me ba machi abu akwa na amfa boni amma obi minku amani dida adom edidi mi nsem amebi no mo na oguso ka se kaminya akwa ka me ntoa adwuma na sa MP ya me ka ni se be di onyame na me de me life ama no ba se me tra studio ha na me be gu ken ni mu ase de onyame fa me bo nche enti ensem no de se kan so epeso osisa na no o me ka say oh in fact conversation no anko yi bad say onipa no a eto fie ma nya wo a na fe ni obaji 50,000 nya wo a na ayefe okay na menya makuku duro so kan na ne sa na waka de a ene me so bibie no a me wotia na si okay ma me pese ene bloggers edi mi din Atta KYEA na mo a say ya to fie ama me na modern leper me wura fi ni ken ye ma me na me twa na dapa enye no kore menye ken ho property da na me ka say title deed no way eni ho but on say enye sa na oka na na appointed to another lawyer there and on so on mesesa na no ha na enye fe so na bloggers no yes ene me nyina say na nya Atta KYEA na ni mo nya mo mrem na me so me fa ni wo nya ma no titia
mate honorable
yes enti ye wura Atta KYEA ne nsem o de kogu abonten ene e wo UTV no utimu say as area Edekadu Council Kennedy Japan is losing grounds. So Ghanaian journalists should watch out. 31st January 2026, Kennedy Japan will collapse and MPP delegates will speak. Yeah, a comment here we Edekadu at the eba, yeah, yes. You better aswana ya finish bibia e wo ha because video we and another person more and more bia and tea be said. And some na ken kotna so platform no so enra na o kan nyina no na yin kontompo e nabraba ba kukura ni wa no kura wom eno na attach ene abebie na no ayiyi mu no kura ewo mu nyina afei de kwasi kwaten eba ya oba beye damage control to the point say o say bisa attach ya say attach ya should rather what apologize to Kennedy Japan. Kwasi kwaten, are you so stupid? O boss, said you the yatin say even more money than problem because you guys cannot even talk to him. He get angry and he shout you down. Wakan sem phone wan kamana nkoyie na baba to abontra. Who kwasi kwaten timi ba abonte be ka kire yewura. Honorable lawyer someone attach ya. Say ono mpa Kennedy Japan acho. Ono na ye di fame no ene mpa Kennedy Japan acho. Na nkrofo we. How do they think? Kwambenso no omwadwe na omodwena kwambenso na efaso. I don't know. I will say how Ras Media GH on YouTube, Ras Media on Facebook. Meso say like and comment. Sanso subscribe to the channel. So when you ya na beka push ko kese no ho. Me yes or say Anthony Mwako abapa. Me de munyina besia na ya san ahia later this day. I will come this afternoon. We're going to meet again and have another massive program. Me de and Mr. Mafwa Ras Media GH on YouTube and Ras Media on Facebook. Until we meet again. Adios.